Oh, wait. Oops, that was heavy. You seeing what I'm seeing? The Rhode Lemontini Rhode Summer Club drop. I received it in PR. Still shocked. Let's go through it. Hi, my name is Henna, yes, like the tattoo, and I don't even know how I got this at this point. I thought I wasn't even on Rhode's PR anymore, to be quite honest with you. But I got the new summer drop. Girl, I got the new case. We have Miss Lemontini in the house. New reformulated peptide tints, lips, whatever we got going on, we have it. I mean, I have the new blushes. We have a glazing mist. We have a pouch. So I thought, why not film a video here on YouTube, kind of breaking everything down. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I do post here weekly and I post a lot on shorts. But you can follow me at the Henna Lee across all my socials. But let's get into this Rhode Summer Club. Okay, I still can't believe I have the Rhode Summer Club beach bag. This is insane. I'm happy, very grateful. Thank you all for supporting me and getting me to a point where I am getting PR from brands like this. This is the new Rhode Summer drop featuring the limited edition Lemontini Peptide lip tint. There's one thing about Rhode is they definitely do know how to do like these curated kind of drops, very on theme, very marketable. So this is the beach bag. I actually want to clarify that I did actually place an order from this drop. I got the phone case, I picked up a Lemontini, I picked up Sun Soak, like the bundle. But surprise, lo and behold, apparently Rhode was sending me their drop as well. So that's where we are, but I do have the yellow pouch right here. So cute. We have Lemontini, which I already have on my phone case. And then I have both Tan Line and Sun Soap. And then of course we have a Glazing Mist. So I actually went ahead and just barefaced for this video. I was like, if we're doing this, let's do it right. So before I even get into trying out the new blushes, the new blush shades, which by the way, they are now part of the permanent collection. I think the only difference if you bought it during this drop is it has that yellow packaging. It's also on the pocket blushes, but these are technically part of their permanent collection, like these shades. So I'm gonna go in and just prep the skin with the Glazing Mist. Really love this new product from them, especially because it is acne prone, skin safe. Like truly, I went through the whole ingredient list. I put it through like an ingredient checker. There are no clogging ingredients in there, unlike their glazing milk with coconut. They do have some coconut in there that could be pore clogging. This is probably one of the only products out of the entire Rhode Skin line that truly has no comedogenic type ingredients. So really like using this. Even when I just am at home and I don't have any makeup on, I'll kind of spray this throughout the day. I think let's go ahead and start with Lemontini, since that is what this drop is around. I already have it on my phone case, but this is with their new formulation of the liquid versus physical shea butter that they're mentioning, and I think they're going to start rolling out the new formula soon, but that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and remove, I have just a little bit of Aquaphor on currently. Did kind of mess up my lips a little bit there. I wore like this new lip oil the other day out in the sun. It didn't have SPF in it, and I think it kind of messed my lips up a little bit. All right, let me zoom y'all in here. So I'm going to go in with Lemontini. That's what she looks like. So it's supposed to have like this little gold shimmer sheerness to it. So let's just go right in. There is no graininess on this one. And I will say, I never really experienced graininess on the first initial application, but as I would let it store and there was a certain few of them, I was like, you know? But this one feels really nice and thin. And again, ignore my lips, mess them up a little bit. But that's what they look like. Scent wise, if you're into Starburst, if you remember the yellow Starburst, that's what the Lemontini reminds me of. Very, very, very sheer. I think it's definitely more on the clearer side, at least on my lips. If anything, you just see the gold shimmer kind of reflecting a little bit. So a really pretty, just shimmery gloss that you can kind of pair with any probably lip combo. But I will say, out of previous limited edition peptide lip tints, this is probably not my top favorite. I think the one I really, really loved was Cinnamon Roll, just because the shade, it was like that perfect, just like brownish topper. I don't know what it was. I know a lot of folks didn't like the scent of that one, but that has to be my favorite. But this one, she is pretty. I can see this being used with a lot of different lip combos because it is quite neutral. But yeah, that's what she looks like on the lips. It's worth mentioning, you don't feel any of like the glitter or shimmer like particles. It's just a gloss basically. Now it's time for the new Rhode Pocket blushes. We have Tan Line and Sun Soak. I'm gonna go ahead and apply one on each side just so y'all can see a side by side. And I do have actually, let me just show you. Ignore, because this is my vanity, it's very messy. I have all the shades including Sprinkle by Rhode in their pocket blushes, and of course I have my Huda Beauty ones here, but I do have all the shades from their line. I'm not missing any. Everyone's been saying that Tan Lines is actually similar to, I think it was Freckle. So this is Tan Line and this is Freckle on the bottom. I think it was Freckle or no, Sleepy Girl. It's one of those. They were saying it's similar to Sleepy Girl or Freckle. So originally I actually ordered Sun Soak because I was like, I think that might be the most different out of the two from what I already have. But still gonna try this on for y'all on camera. So here is what Tan Lines looks like. And then here we have Sun Soak. Ooh, Sun Soak looks perfect right now. So here we have Tan Lines and Sun Soak. So I'll just go ahead and apply it on the sides of my face. I was really debating if I should even make this video because I feel like there's so much content with Rhode all over TikTok, but I still love doing YouTube videos, and maybe if you're just looking, you know. I'm gonna zoom y'all in. So on this side, we have Tan Lines. And again, I'm going in on a bare face, and two reasons. One, so you can really see what it looks like, the shade, and just kind of the finish on the skin. Of course, depending on what foundation you use, that'll kind of manipulate the look of the product. And then two, I have some other stuff to film and I don't want to have to like reapply and take off product because that's kind of wasteful, and also my skin is sensitive, so I don't want to annoy it and upset it. But here is what Tan Lines is looking like on this side of the face. Oops. And what I love about the pocket blush is they can build up, but I do like kind of the finish they give. It's like almost like that satin finish personally on my skin. So that is what Tan Lines looks like. Very excited for Sun Soak. I'm doing it on this side. I normally like doing this side of my face because I feel like this is a better side of my face than this side, but whatever. We're here now. So I like to go with the brush instead of directly. Personally, that's just kind of my way of application. Ooh. Yeah, I immediately already like this one so much better. It's definitely like that sunburnt look, which is why it's called Sun Soak. And in the summertime, your blush placement's a little different, right? Because, you know, you're kind of going in the sense of like, if you're out in the sun, it's going more like on your cheeks, like right here for you to get a sunburn. But that's a whole nother gigs. But ooh, let's see if I can, how much more I can build it up. And obviously I'm sitting in front of like camera studio lights, so I'm definitely blushed up right now. But here we have Sun Soak and then Tan Lines. Again, probably be mixing and matching with these. I do like Sun Soak. I think if you are really looking into wanting to get a new pocket blush from Rhode and you already have Freckle or Sleepy Girl, go for Sun Soak. It's something a little different. Is the phone case. A lot of people are saying that they feel like it's a little different. It feels different. To me, I think it's pretty much the same. The thickness, the feelness to it feels the same to me. Some people on TikTok were saying that the edges fit a little bit better. Again, I have quite a bit of the other ones and it's pretty much the exact same case personally to me. I have the iPhone 15. But yeah, so that is what she looks like. I will say I also received the water bottle in the PR package with that Rhode Summer Club logo. Again, dude, like I still can't believe this is in my hands right now. To kind of go over with y'all, this is what that little pouch looks like. It's definitely way smaller than the original pouch, but it was supposed to be like a mini pouch, a mini version of their normal pouch. I really like it because you can almost kind of use it like a clutch. I definitely will be using this as a travel bag in my purse to like keep like little lipsticks and glosses because that's what I normally do with stuff like this. But yeah, I mean, I think Rhode is just really great at their marketing and really just like kind of curating these collections or these drops. And even if it's just like a lip or a blush. They're just really good at creating like this world with it, which I think really resonates and connects with their consumers. And they are shifting into Sephora, which definitely we will see kind of how that plays out and what that looks like. But yeah, I mean, this is a quick video. It was really cool, just exciting opportunity to get the Rhode Summer Club PR package and drop. I had no idea it was coming into onto my porch. You can't go wrong with the Rhode Pocket Blushes. Like their limited edition lip tints, you either love them or you don't care for them. And then the phone cases, I mean, the yellow moment's cute. I always like yellow. I love yellow, orange, blue, green. Those are my shades. So very happy to see that they came out with this color. But yeah, I mean, I really have nothing else to say. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I do post here weekly, almost daily at this point. And follow me on all my other socials at the Hailey. But, alright, I'm gonna go with my goodies and I'll see y'all later. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye!